curious minds, welcome back to Curiosity Craft. Today we're diving deep into how our brains actually work, thanks to Brain Rules by Dr. John Medina. He's a brain scientist with a knack for breaking down the brain's complexities into simple, practical tips. Ready to unlock your brain's full potential? So let's get started. Rule 1. Exercise boosts brain power. Want to be smarter? Move your body. Think of exercise like a power-up for your brain. When you move your body, your brain gets more oxygen, which helps it work better. It boosts your memory, focus, and creativity. Our ancestors had to walk a lot to survive, so our brains are designed to perform best when we're moving. So if you want a sharper mind, get up and get active. Rule 2. The human brain evolved too. Our brains have been shaped by millions of years of evolution. Long ago, humans had to hunt for food and avoid predators, which made our brains really good at noticing danger and solving problems. That's why some things make us nervous, like speaking in public. It's an ancient response left over from when social rejection could mean life or death. Rule 3. Every brain is wired differently. No two brains are exactly alike. Our brains are shaped by our genes, life experiences, and even things like what hand we use. So we all think and learn in unique ways. This is why a one-size-fits-all approach to teaching or learning doesn't work. Everyone's brain is a little different. Rule 4. We don't pay attention to boring things. If something doesn't grab your interest, your brain tunes out quickly. Our brains are wired to focus on things that catch our attention, like stories, surprises, or strong emotions. That's why great teachers and storytellers can keep us engaged. They make learning interesting and keep our brains switched on. Rule 5 and 6. Repeat to remember and remember to repeat. Your brain needs repetition to remember things. If you want to keep something in your memory, you have to practice it over time. It's like learning a new song or skill. The more you go over it, the more it sticks. Pulling out and using memories makes them stronger. Rule 7. Sleep well, think well. Sleep isn't just rest for your body, it's a recharge for your brain. While you sleep, your brain organizes and strengthens memories and clears out mental clutter. Without enough sleep, your brain slows down, making it harder to think, learn, and remember. Rule 8. Stressed brains don't learn the same way. When you're stressed, it's hard to focus or remember things. Stress hormones can mess with your brain's ability to learn and think clearly. It's like trying to see through a foggy window. To learn better, it's important to find ways to lower stress, like taking breaks, relaxing, or talking it out. Rule 9. Stimulate more of the senses. The more senses you use when learning, the better you'll remember. For example, if you see, hear, and touch something, it's more likely to stick in your memory than if you just hear it. More senses involved mean more pathways in your brain to recall the information later. Rule 10. Vision trumps all other senses. Our brains are built to process pictures much faster than words. This goes back to when spotting danger quickly was key for survival. That's why we remember images and visuals better than a list of facts. So whenever possible, use pictures or visual cues to learn and remember. Rule 11. Male and female brains are different. There are some differences in how male and female brains work, like how they respond to stress, emotions, and certain tasks. But these differences aren't about one being better than the other. They just highlight how complex our brains are. Rule 12. We are powerful and natural explorers. From the moment we're born, we're curious. Babies explore everything they see, touch, and hear. This natural curiosity doesn't go away as we grow up, though it can sometimes get buried. Keep that curiosity alive, and your brain stays active, creative, and ready for anything. Your brain is an extraordinary tool. Exercise it, challenge it, and most importantly, keep it curious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more brainy content on Curiosity Cracked. Until next time, keep exploring.